Hi everyone, today we are showing you an HUAWEI P40 Lite and how to show the battery percentage. So first of all, let's open the settings. Now let's swipe down to the battery option. And here let's swipe a little to the battery percentage. And now as you can see, we can choose from 3 options. Now the battery percentage is not shown, but we can choose from the next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So let me choose the inside battery icon option. And from now on in the battery icon we can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.